If you've ever wanted to create comprehensive guides on any topic, today's video is perfect for you. We'll dive into how to use ChatGPT to write detailed, informative guides efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, let's pick your topic. It should be something you're passionate about or have a lot of knowledge in. When choosing your topic, think about what your audience might need. What are they struggling with? What can you teach them that they might not find elsewhere? Today, I'm going to use this particular topic right here, how to set up a home aquarium, as an example. Why this topic? Well, it's a subject I love, and it's quite popular. For instance, that is, there's always someone looking to start an aquarium, which means lots of potential readers for our guide. Alright, now that we've selected our topic and have ChatGPT right here generate brief information based on my input, it's time to give our guide a clear structure. This is like building the skeleton of our guide before we add the flesh. Here's what I'll do. A prompt will be put together here for ChatGPT to follow the structure, as I dissect and explain each section from it. So here's my prompt right here. Revise the guide to follow this structure. So here's each section that I'm going to explain. So we start with the introduction. So what does contain with the introduction? Here you'll greet your readers and briefly explain what they will learn. Make it inviting and insightful. Hook your readers with a fascinating fact, or fun fact that is, or compelling questions about home aquariums. There we go. Now, moving on to the main content. What does the main content would do? This is where the bulk of your information will go. Divide it into sections based on topics like tank setup, right here, choosing the right fish, then water conditions, and maintenance. Each section should focus on one main idea, which is how to set up your home aquarium, making the information more digestible. And finally, we wrap up with a strong conclusion to just summarize the key points that you've covered right from the main content. Right here. Reiterate the joy and benefits of having an aquarium and encourage your readers to start their aquatic journey. So let's see how ChatGPT would generate with this prompt that I put together right here. Here we go. So if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help the YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Now let's put ChatGPT to work. We're going to start by drafting one of the sections, for instance, on choosing the right aquarium. This section right here. So I'll just put in my prompt here something specific like explain the basics of selecting the right aquarium size for beginners. Right here. Now you hit send and let ChatGPT process the results. See how ChatGPT is breaking down the factors, including the tank size, material, and placement considerations. For instance, that is, this is a great starting point for our guide. You can take this raw content and begin shaping it to suit your style and your audience's needs. Our initial draft we got from ChatGPT is informative, but it's also quite generic. Our goal is to tailor this content to make it unique and engaging. For instance, let's bolster our sections with data. We can use ChatGPT again to gather the latest statistics or facts. So let's prompt and specifically like right here, What are the latest statistics on the most common mistakes people make when setting up their first aquarium? Here we go. Then let's hit send right here. It's currently browsing. Here we go. So, with these new points, we can add a section that addresses these common issues, helping our readers avoid typical pitfalls. When refining, our guide not only delivers solid information, but does so in a way that's distinctly us. It becomes not just helpful, but also a pleasure to read. Adding visuals is not just about making your guide look good, it's about enhancing understanding. Let's say with aquarium sizes, we need a comparative chart or any visual details in descriptive text to show options from small to large. This will help readers visualize what suits their space best. Let's say we put in the prompt here like provide comparative visuals in descriptive text, highlighting and dimensions and suitable fish types for each. There we go. So let's hit enter and see how ChatGPT would generate based on my input. Now, so as you can see, with these visuals, just like the descriptions ChatGPT is currently providing right now, based currently on the process, our guide not only tells the story, but shows it, making the journey of setting up and maintaining an aquarium both engaging and instructive for our readers. So here we go, it's still processing, it's giving you all the details with the comparisons of aquarium sizes. So just let it process everything. Yeah, there we go. We're almost at the finish line. Let's ensure our guide looks as good as it reads. This isn't just about aesthetics. It guides the reader's eye through the content. For example, I'll show you how I would prompt ChatGPT to create a visual. So here's my prompt right here. So let's say, finalize putting together the full guide. And let's hit send right here. Using this prompt, ChatGPT can help craft a guide that's both informative and easy on the eyes. This approach will help our readers visualize the process step by step. Remember, the better your guide looks, the more likely your readers are to stick around and actually use it. And with that, that's a wrap on how you can use ChatGPT right here to create an effective and informative guide. By the way, if you notice how different the chat room looks for the last two segments, that's because I had a last minute change. Because initially I was going to include images for the tutorial, but then I decided to change because with images, it would be difficult for y'all with the assembling and pasting where the content would be with the images provided. Then, in any case, that's what I had decided to include with the last two segments. So, and with that, have a great day, everyone.